Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Today's Millennium Cricket League, F40 League clash was an epic battleground, where Akshar 11 Cricket Club and Piscataway painted a vibrant canvas, replete with strategic masterstrokes and shots that will echo in the annals of the league's history.
Under the bright lights and the gaze of an expectant crowd, Akshar 11 and Piscataway weaved a compelling drama, each twist contributing to the tapestry of this scintillating encounter.
Our heartfelt gratitude to the event advertisers who lent their support, ensuring that every soaring six and each wicket stumble was a spectacle to behold in this F40 League thriller.
A salute to DifGen Pharmaceuticals. Much like a batsman's century at the World Cup, they elevate healthcare. New Jersey rehab experts, boasting a perfect score of triumphs, and Faith Home Healthcare, delivering ace care that well met our cricketing flair.
The first innings saw Akshar 11 set a formidable total, thanks to Manish Chawla's anchor role. Piscataway's Yamuna Kannan, Shivam Bisht, and Jatin Desai struck at key intervals but could not prevent the runs from flowing.
Piscataway's pursuit in the second innings mirrored a well-curated chase, but crucial wickets by Akshar's Manjinder Singh Ladi and Amanpreet Singh wedged in the blocks, undermining momentum and weaving the fabric of a win for Akshar 11.
Akshar Zai's batting lineup crafted a challenging total, bolstered by Chawla's outstanding 65. The Ankur-Manish partnership stood as a fortress, adding a crucial 70 that laid the groundwork for their dominance.
Piscataway's bowlers hunted in packs, with Kannan's precision and Bisht's aggression. Despite leaking extras, their intent was clear: dismantle the opposition's batting ramparts to limit the tally.
In response, Piscataway's batsmen stitched partnerships, with Vyas and Madan standing tall. However, Akshar Zai's bowlers, led by Ladi's economical spell, pulled the strings, turning the match in their favour.
It was a bowling tale of guile and grit for Akshar 11. Singh's dual strikes sent shockwaves through Piscataway's ranks, and Thakur's consistent pressure proved too steep a mountain to climb.
Manish Chawla emerged as Akshar Zai's linchpin, while Ladi's bowling was a masterclass in precision. Kannan shone for Piscataway with a spirited bowling effort.
Chawla steadied the ship, Ladi delivered the conclusive blows, and Kannan stood valiant in defeat. These gladiators' contributions etched into the scorebook as defining moments of this clash.
Akshar Zai's triumph by 27 runs was a testament to their tenacity and strategy. Their batting prowess set the stage, but it was their bowlers who finished the act, scripting victory.
Piscataway's spirit never waned, but Akshar Zai's clinical display across disciplines handed them the laurels. The teams shared a sporting handshake, the victors' smiles mirroring their dominance. As the dust settles on this clash of titans, Akshar's strategy and execution stand tall, narrating a tale of triumph. Both teams, etched in the league's lore, will look forward to their next challenge with lessons learned.
This chapter concludes, but the league's saga rolls on. Memories of Chawla's bat-carving runs, and Ladi's nous with the ball, will linger, providing a blueprint for future F40 League glory.